like that? Yeah.
Huh?
I'm doing pictures. She's videotaping.
Now we have twins.
Yes.
The little Pebbles hairstyle, huh?
Hers
It's
just
too
doesn't.
cute.
Hers doesn't grow like his.
No, they don't, unfortunately. Okay,
Okay,
buddy.
get the
Let's look right here. Can you look right here for me? Look at that teddy bear. Look at that teddy bear. Look here. Can I give him a lollipop?
He's never had one, but we can try it.
Oh boy.
All right, Daddy, I'll let you do the first one. Hold it down to where he can come down into it.
Oh.
You can't hold it.
There you go, buddy.
Like it.
Sorry, did you grab that? Did you get that shot? Okay.
I think so. I think so.
Here, we'll let you do another one. Sorry, I'm kind of quick.
That's all right.
Look down.
There we go. Very good.
Hold on.
I try my best to work with you guys.
Oh
I'm
no,
so
no, no,
fast.
no. It's
It's
okay.
all right.
You're doing fine.
I understand why you're fast.
No, you can't get in. You can't get in.
Look at him. Now I bet if you took that thing from him, he'd have a fit now.
He likes that. Look at that.
Really big.
Dad, you can let her down. Let her go play. She'll be fine.
Just let her run around.
Yeah, there's not much they can hurt themselves.
Can
on
she
here.
have a lollipop?
Yeah.
I
I
bet
would
she
recommend
does.
her getting down with it though.
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
no.
I'm gonna have Tony hold her. Tony, hold her, baby. Here, Noli. You gotta hold it, okay? Let her come down to it.
No, I got it. He's got food.
Keep
Oh,
on
no, I gotta hold it. I gotta hold it.
Let her hold it. Let her hold it.
Wait, boy.
She don't want it.
Okay.
Come on, let's go here. Let's go here. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Mom, I've got animal crackers in the back in the diaper bag.
Okay.
Actually, they're in the car.
You watching TV now?
He's just as.
Oh, I
Well,
know.
look at him with that. He's got that.
There you go, Bubby.
You can't walk with it.
Oh, yeah.
See, that's harder than me.
She just could play with it.
She gonna have her hands all sticky.
It's okay. I got wipes.
We got wipes. That's what they're there for. We know they get sticky.
You're doing a good job, buddy. Babe. Stand in front.
He says, I'm the lollipop
You
holder.
let that. Good.
It's going to town on that lollipop.
So is she.
Oh, baby girl. What you doing?
Gotta stay still now, Noli. Can't move. She biting you?
Trying to.
You sound like a piggy there for a second, buddy. Is it that yummy? I bet it is. I gave you the strawberry one too. That's got a lot of flavor. Hey guys, you know it is. Miss Steffi hasn't had a break yet. Yeah, just don't sit on her, okay?
Don't sit on it.
As you can tell, they're using normal clients. Regulars.
Don't walk with it, Noli. Sit down. Sit on your butt. You bet.
I can't wait till I
Thank
get to
you.
see you every month.
Thank you.
Yeah. No, you can probably go until Halloween without getting his haircut again, unless you just can't take it.
Took it from me. He's like,
Oh, well, jeez. Oh, not that end. That end doesn't take you. Yeah, no. He shouldn't grow that fast yet. Now, don't get me wrong. He could hit a growth spurt and just grow extremely quickly. It just varies. Okay, now what I do, this is it. What I do now. Yes. That's why I love this haircut. It's not meant to be that clean cut thing at all. Now, if you're going to church and you like to have him turn him proper, you can take it like this.
So I know what I'm doing. I just like blow dry to the side a little bit.
Yeah, and you can still have it.
Oh,
wait a minute, let me take a picture of that. Michael.
say we gonna mess it up.
Michael Buddy. Alright.
Yeah, let's mess it back up.
Yeah, I like that mess
Yeah,
up.
I do too. Michael Duty.
Diane, what are you doing?
Don't walk with it.
All right.
All done, buddy.
Don't get it no more.